Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my panel today I will present about my FYP1 proposal, that is establishing risk and benefit model for hydrogen buses as future transportation. Okay, my name is Muhammad AYSAR KHALISH bin ANUAR SHAH. My student ID is 2019608478 and my supervisor is Professor Madiati S. Dr. Wan Mazina binti Wan Muhammad. Okay, for the introduction of my project is, do you know that the pollution emitted by vehicles from the combustion of fossil fuel are a major source of air pollution in Malaysia? And in 2011, there are more than 21 million registered vehicles on Malaysian roads. So nowadays, they might be more or higher now. So the smart car and the better public transportation policies are the solution to this problem. So citizens and the government must work together to form a coalition to combat vehicle-related greenhouse gas emissions. So, as a result, hydrogen fuel is one of the methods that can reduce pollution in our country. This is because the hydrogen fuel is a clean fuel that produces only water when burned in a fuel cell. Okay, next we go to my scope of project. The research areas are covered by the analyzing procedure. The information was acquired by conducting a questionnaire using Google Form, and it will be sent to Malaysian residents. Okay, this is statistical package for the social sciences that's called SPSS will be used to forecast data among public about new technologies that will be introduced in this country in the future. Okay, then another method of gathering information is to make a visit and interview to the company that involved in manufacturing of hydrogen vehicle and know more knowledge about this hydrogen fuel or hydrogen bus. Okay, from the visit and interview, we may gain knowledge and idea from the company's perspective on the development of green technology in public transportation. Okay, next we go to the problem statement of my project. Okay, highly volatile and flammable gas. As we know, hydrogen is highly volatile and flammable gas, but is rapidly gaining popularity as a sustainable fuel in transportation. Furthermore, due to the increased use of vehicles in our country, air pollution in Malaysia is increasing, as is the production of carbon monoxide from transportation, both of which can contribute to air pollution in our country. The risks of hydrogen have been widely discussed, but they have not been truly investigated. So, my project is to investigate that the hydrogen bus is suitable for be used to this country. Okay, then we go to the objective of my project is to measure public awareness about hydrogen vehicle, to evaluate stakeholders' acceptance of hydrogen vehicle, to develop risk and benefit metric for hydrogen vehicle. Okay, the limitation of the project due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is extremely difficult to discuss the project progress with the supervisor over the phone or through an online platform. Okay, my project is not involved in the design of the bus and not involved in the costing and production of the bus or hydrogen process plant. Okay, next we will take a look on my methodology. Okay, here as you can see, there are a few steps that I need to be done from my beginning of my project until the end of my project. So first, I will do the problem statement as I stated before, the problem statement. Okay, next, I do a research on the literature review. So like this, literature review, I will collecting a relevant article and journal in order to find relevant information for this project. And to be used for the project, the source must be credible and academic. Okay, next I will develop a questionnaire. Okay, the questionnaire will be distributed among the Malaysian, the public. Okay, then the Google form will be the platform of this questionnaire. Okay, then I will do the site visit. Okay, the goal of this site visit and the company interviews to observe and collect data from the company with connection and have a knowledge about this hydrogen bus or hydrogen fuel in terms of fuel safety and system or anything that have related to my project. Okay, next I will do the data collection. Okay, the process of synthesizing the information acquired from the site visit and the input from the questionnaire is being developed is known as my data collection. Okay, next I will do the data analysis. Okay, the method that we will use is descriptive analysis method. Okay, then the statistical package for the social sciences SPSS will be used as the software to measure and forecast the acceptability of public about the hydrogen buses as a future transportation. Okay, next, the result. After analyzing and organizing the data, the result will be generated in relation to the project objective. Okay, the expected result that will be get, the outcome is ability to describe in detail the advantages and disadvantages of using hydrogen fuel in transit buses, and as well as Malaysians' acceptance of the hydrogen bus as a mode of public transportation. Okay, following that, we will hear from a company that is associated with and knowledgeable about this hydrogen bus and hydrogen fuel. Okay, finally, I will learn whether or not this hydrogen bus is suitable for use as a public transportation in Malaysia as a future. Okay, as you can see here, this is my questionnaire for the survey that will be distributed to the public. Okay, here I have three sections. The first section is demographic. It is more to know the person that take the survey. Okay, next, the section 2 is understanding the advantages of the hydrogen fuel. Okay, and the lastly is section 3, understanding the disadvantages of hydrogen fuel and the acceptance of hydrogen buses as public transportation vehicles. Okay, this survey need to be distributed to the public end of this semester. So for now, I don't have any result or any people answer this survey. So for next semester, I will get the result and will continue to my next step is I do site visit and do the data analysis. Okay, that's all from me for my FYP1 presentation. Thank you.